bird down. So. Hey, get off your knees. You're gonna get soaking wet. Alright guys, good morning. Happy opening day of turkey season. It feels like muzzleloader season for deer, but it's about 30 degrees. There's snow on the ground. Got the heater going. It's opening day of turkey season. Who would have guessed? But we're excited to be out. It's just about 7 o'clock and we got sounds about like 5 turkeys gobbling away around us. So Darren's out for his first opener and we're just gonna enjoy the morning, try to stay warm. So we'll see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. It's been pretty quiet. We just had a hunter walk by a little bit ago and then we actually just had 2 hens show up. So it's 10 o'clock. The sun's getting a little bit higher. It feels like it's getting maybe a little bit warmer out. So hopefully some things pick up. We thought the hens were going to come right down here in front of us, but they kind of just hung out about 60 yards or so, 50 yards, and carried on. So pretty cool to at least see something right there.
Yeah.
So we're going to hang tight for a few more hours, I think, have lunch and kind of just see what happens and go from there. So it's too bad. Bird down.
Could be shaking too much. I don't know.
I busted my hand somehow. I'm bleeding all over the place. And we got Theron here. 3 for 3 when Theron's out turkey hunting with us. We get a bird down. So turkey whisperer.
Yeah. Yes, I know. Holy crap.
Holy crap. Little beard on him.
Wow.
Nice spurs. A little hook to him.
That blood.
Oh. Alright guys, here he is. Nice turkey, nice time, opening day, Michigan opener. And got my dad here, Theron. As you guys saw a couple times coming in, strutting, put on quite the show for us this morning. So super blessed to have this bird down. It's a pretty nice bird, about a 9-inch beard, 9.5-inch beard.
probably an inch or just a little bit more than an inch spurs. So pretty pumped. Missed the double, but we got one down. We're gonna hop back in the blind for a couple more hours. It's 11:30 right now, and see if we can maybe get another chance at another one. What do you guys think? Cool?
Oh, yeah.
Good, Theron? Have fun?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Good morning, everybody. Jared here. It's April 18th, opening morning of turkey season. Out here on a farm where I've killed one before, on my buddy PJ's farm. Real beautiful place. They should be roosting up here. As of last night, we saw them coming across the field. This early season, it's really cold out. It's only 29 degrees, so I'm not sure exactly yet how aggressive I'm going to be with the decoy setup or the calling. I might not even put any decoys out. This might end up being the most boring turkey video you've ever seen, but it's turkey season. It's going to be sunny. It's crisp and calm, and I'm fired up. So we'll see you guys out there. We're hunting a field edge just outside of some timber where they come out every morning into some beans from last year. So see you guys in the woods. As you may or may not have seen there, I just kind of messed up, kind of had a real brief opportunity on a beautiful tom.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Go get him.
Yeah, baby. Ah, man. What's up, guys? Jared here. It is 6:48 this morning. I shot him at 6:45. Oh man, there were birds all in here this morning, roosting right over this flooded timber in here. They're roosting here all the time. I've been playing cat and mouse with them last weekend, and sure enough, I got in here and switched the game plan up a little bit. Came in the woods versus at the field edge. So I'll show you this bird, guys. Check out this bad boy right here. Nice beard, real thick. Probably 10. Oh man. Some nice spurs on him, probably inch and a quarter. And check this out, guys. When I saw this come around the corner, I was like, yeah, baby. I didn't realize these hens were still up in the trees back here, but when I ran down and got him, there's some still roosted birds there. So it's late April, first week of turkey season, and gobbler down, guys. I am fired up. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for making this possible. For allowing me to get out here and enjoy God's creation like this. I never get sick of it. This is amazing.